this duty has taken me around the country. I've seen different projects, different roads, but this is the worst I've seen. This is the worst I've seen. I've never seen something as terrible as this. And as the joint committee on works, our leader here, Senator Hanga here, my deputy, Senator Honorable Usman Banye. We have Senate Committee Chairman on NDTC here, Senator Asuko Ekpenyong. We were in the bus and we were lamenting. How we got here, I don't know. I know that a few years ago, this project was awarded. And all of a sudden, we have the issue of moving from concrete to asphalt, which from asphalt to concrete, which practically derailed the entire work here. We also need to question the capacity of some of the contractors on this line, from Samatek to Recon to CCCC to high tech, the ministry, from the controller to the zonal directors to the minister himself. We're going to be calling for a public hearing because this road is. How do you get from Cross River into the other parts of the south without this road?
We are cut off.
We were privileged to be able to clear the road and move past the traffic, but what's going to happen to the average Nigerian? Christmas is here, December is here. Come on, an emergency needs to be declared on this road, and that's exactly what we're going to do. I don't know if Senator Hanga wants to say something, and Senator Ekpenyong.
I'm 100% with you, Chairman. Well, I can see that now, because being the chairman of the authority, I'm only the vice chairman. When the Senate president is there, he is the Senate leader. And when he's not there, the speaker is also the leader in the National Assembly. So right now you are the leader, and what you have said is okay. I'm with you 100%. I've seen it all. And when I was even threatening to write a minority report in case there's anything, when my chairman encouraged me, no, I shouldn't worry. He too is not satisfied, and something must happen. And Chairman, carry go. Where was you?
Senator Ekpenyong.
Thank you. First of all, my gratitude to my colleagues, members from the House of Representatives, and the distinguished senators that are here present. This oversight was initiated almost a year ago by a motion I read on the floor of the Senate. And that was instigated by the fact that this road has remained in this state of disrepair for several years. At some point last year, during the course of repairs, there was a traffic buildup, and a lady who was about 8 months pregnant became, her water broke due to this condition of the road. She delivered her child in the car. We brought this to the floor of the Senate, the emergency situation here. We went to work, we summoned the ministry, summoned the contractors. We put as much fire under the belly. But we're a year out now, and I'm not seeing significant progress. The truth is, there is no replication of an oversight visit. No matter how much we speak in the hearing room, no matter how much we speak in the Senate, it is important that parliamentarians go out and see things for themselves. And this has been an eye-opener for my colleagues. They've seen the condition, and this is what Cross Riverians and people from Akwa Ibom go through day in, day out. This is the only link between these two states. The only other way to move is through the water. And just last week, people who decided to opt to use the waterways, 17 of them were kidnapped. So what is it? What is the alternative? People stay at home. There's no commerce. There's no social life. There's no production. We've passed this entire route. Cross River is the bedrock of the production of not just the South, I dare say Nigeria as a whole. We've seen columns and lines of evacuation trucks moving cement, moving flour mills, moving petroleum products, moving agricultural products, moving chippings, all the construction aggregates gotten for construction in the South is from Akankpa, which is next to Odukwane. I'm the senator representing this senatorial district. This happens to be my local government of origin. I am ashamed. Please, we need the help of the National Assembly as a collective to put an end to this.